What's up, guys? This is Will of Will's Gadgets and More, back with another video. So it's Invicta watch time again on my channel. You guys know, if you follow my channel once, twice, 3 times a year, I pick up the Invicta watches. I got another one that's in this box. It's the New Orleans Saints, my favorite football team. Who dat, baby? Let's get into the box and check it out. Okay, guys, so we're back in. This is the type of packaging that is going to come in if you decide to pick yours up. Let's go ahead and get this out of this box and check it out. So a little bit of history about me with these watches. I started buying these years ago. Just one of my favorite companies to buy, favorite brands of watches. I don't get paid from them. One of my co-workers back in the day turned me on to these watches. Let me go ahead and get this out. All right, guys, so now that we have it out of that brown box, my history, a little history on me with these watches. I started making this, Invicta watch was the first video that I ever made on my channel, was about an Invicta watch. And I was gonna make my channel only about Invicta watches, but my love for tech kind of took over, and I kind of mixed these watches in with my tech reviews, different things that I like. And I got started. One of my co-workers started buying this brand. He introduced me to it, and I've been making videos and buying them since. I have over 20-some Invicta watches. So let's take a look at this watch and go and take a closer look at this watch. So this is the Invicta NFL 38mm or 47mm quartz stainless steel bracelet watch. It's $99.99 right now, or you can elect to pay the value pay of $16.67. Now this is on the Shop HQ app. They also have a website. So as you guys see, they have a bunch of the teams. That's the Washington football team, Chicago Bears, Oakland Raiders, Cowboys, Baltimore Ravens, Green Bay Packers, Kansas City Chiefs. You got the Miami Dolphins. So you got a lot of them here. I don't think they've got all of the teams here, but they got most of them. And you can get these in the men's size and women's size, which is going to be either the 38mm or the 47mm. And then let's take a look at some of the more specs on this and details. So the movement type is quartz, movement country of origin, Japan, case size 38mm or 47mm, case thickness 11mm for women, 16mm for men, case material stainless steel, bezel type, unidirectional, crystal type, flame fusion, crown type, push-pull, bracelet type, band type bracelet, band material, stainless steel, bracelet length 7.5, bracelet width 20mm for women, 24mm for men, band clasp, deployant, water resistant 100mm, country of origin, Japan. So of course I picked up the 47mm. I will drop the link in the description or where you can get this for 99 bucks. So here's the outside of the packaging. Has that Invicta logo. They do have a watermark or NFL logo over here as well. See if you guys can get that in there. See that? There it is. And let's get into it, man. Too much talking. And let's get in here. So a nice presentation here, as you guys see, greeted with the NFL logo there. And let's get this box out. So I have over 20-some watches, I think, and I've bought more than that, but I've given away a lot of them. Give them to family members, friends. And here's the outside of the box, as you guys see. Invincible in detail, since 1837. So that is the outside of the box. So let's get in and check it out. So nice presentation here, man. So inside of it, official license, NFL, Invicta. You guys can see that. You're gonna have your paperwork in here. That's your limited warranty instructions information there. You're gonna get a nice Invicta microfiber cleaning cloth. And poison for the trolls, like one great YouTuber says. And that is it, guys. That's all on the inside. But here's the box. Nice box to keep your watch in when you're not using it. I have a bunch of those. So here is the New Orleans Saints watch. So let's take a look at this. Let's get this all out of the way here. So I'm going to get the plastic off and then we'll come back. All right, guys, back in. Got all of the plastic off of the watch. And this is a very nice looking watch, I have to say, man. I had a chance to look at it real good with the plastic, getting the plastic off. And I can tell you this is a very nice design. So let's go around it on the face. Now, they made the face to look like the football field. And what they did with the yard markers there, they put the minutes in there. So you got 5 minutes here, you got 30 minutes, 35 minutes. And that's a very nice touch, man, on the yard markers on the face to make it look, to have the minutes. And in the center of the field, or the watch, you're gonna have the Saints logo. Around the outside of it, which would be the seating or the stands, you got the minutes and seconds in there. You do have a little bit of Invicta branding right up at the top. You got your hour, minute, and second hand. That black and gold just looks very, very nice in person, man. Very nice touch. Got your unidirectional bezel here, which is very nice. You can actually use that in real terms to mark things. You got a little bit of branding here that's not engraved in there, stamped on there, but not engraved. I think I got all the plastic off. And then on this side, on the bezel, you do have a little bit of branding there. Nice stainless steel band. On the clasp, you do have some branding there. The way you open this up, just like that, and very easy to open. And then on the inside of it, let's take a look, see if I can get the inside of it. You're gonna have the NFL logo in there. It's gonna tell you the water resistance, the model number, and things of that nature. So this is battery powered. It's not automatic. I kind of wish it was automatic. But yeah, man, so this is a good look at it here. Very nice, no date marker on here, but that's cool. And just very nice, man, very nice. I'm gonna go ahead, put it on my wrist and let you guys see how it looks. All right, guys, so we're back in. This is how it looks on my arm there. Hopefully we're in focus here. So this is a 47. I have like a 7 1/4 inch wrist. And as you guys, it fits my wrist very good. I'm gonna have to take some links out, of course, but this is what you're gonna get, man. A nice, very nice looking watch, man. A New Orleans Saints NFL Pro Diver, and very nice, man. So let's finish the video. Okay, guys, so we're back in. This has been my look at the Invicta NFL 47mm Quartz stainless steel bracelet watch. And I think it is a very nice pickup. I really like this one. Next one's going to be the 49ers. Very nice, man. Let's take another close look at it here. Very detailed. The black and gold forever right there. Who Dat Nation. And I'm going to leave a link in the description if you guys want to pick yours up. Are you going to pick up your favorite team's watch? Let me know in the comments. Wheels, Gadgets, and more. I'm out.